saw one, there's a transcript of a lecture of Sadhu Sumailan, and one famous sannyasi from Vrindavan, he's a Sri Vaishnava, and he said, I guess it was a very sober topic they were all discussing, so he wanted to speak a little light opener. He says, one thing about sadhus, because all sadhus were speaking and all sadhus were listening, and other types of high-class people or whatever, Vrindavan, the municipal Vrindavan. So he said, one thing is that these sadhus and saints and vairagis, they can all abstain from food. They can all abstain and give up eating, but they can't stop speaking. Because it was a meeting about bringing the Yamuna back to Vrindavan, and it was a proactive political, religious, prem, everything together, expression of their love for Radharani and everything. It became politics, but the Yamuna used to belong to Radharani and Krishna and the Brijvasis, and then the government stole it. Not even this one, but the one above us stole the whole Yamuna. The river thief. There's different provinces. Huh? So one of the states closer to the Yamunotri, oh, okay, we can use this. They stole Yamuna. It's like a Rakshas. Is it just like, who is it? Shankachud. Kalindi is a consort of Krishna. She's a lover of Krishna and Dwarka. And one of his queens, principal queens, is Kalindi. And her expansion in the Braj Lila is Yamuna. And Yamuna is an expansion of Vishaka. So, at least I read that somewhere.